Hello family, most welcome back, both the new and the old family. I say thank you so much for coming back, and if you find yourself the first time here, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family. Today family, I am just going to show you how I make my version of the Ghana FANMILK, FANCHOCO and FANYOGO. Just have to treat ourselves before the summer finally comes to an end. So family, stay tuned and let's do this together. So for the ingredients, really very simple. You will need some whipping cream, also known as heavy cream, and here in Sweden, however, it is called vipsgrädde. And then you will need some condensed milk and some vanilla essence. And so those happens to be the basic for the whole ice cream. But in order to get the FANYOGO, you will need some natural yogurt and some frozen strawberries. And to get your FANCHOCO, however, you will need some chocolate powder to the rest of the ingredients. That is quite it. Very easy. So let's just go ahead. So I do like to start with my vanilla ice cream, also known as the FANMILK. I add 1 whole box of whipping cream, 1.5 actually, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you start by whisking it thoroughly. Like you have to mix it till it becomes fluffy and very light. This, you will need this machine to help you, otherwise it's going to take a really long time for you to get what we actually want our whipping cream to be. You just have to go ahead and whip it with this machine. With the machine, it will take you about 10 minutes solid. Yes, just so you get that fluffy light butter. That is what we're looking for. So just go ahead and just whip till you get that fluffiness. So if you have a mixture at home, it will also help you to actually get it done faster. But if you have to make it in a very large quantity than this, so yeah, with this I'm using 1.5 full pack of the whipping cream, and yeah, and I'll be using 1 thing of condensed milk to it. And look at that beautiful fluffiness of the whipping cream. Believe it or not, once we mix this together, our FANMILK is ready to be in the fridge, and we're going to enjoy this. We will be dividing this into 2 so that the second part of it will be used for our FANCHOCO. Yes, very excited about this. As I said earlier, the FANMILK is ready, and we're going to put it in our bowl. And yes, this tastes so yummy. And for me, when I taste it compared to the Ghanaian one, there is no difference at all. And the reason why I like this more is you can actually control the amount of condensed milk you can use. So the more you use, the more sweet it gets, and the less obviously you're going to get a less sweeter version of your FANMILK, which is so much fun because there are a lot of people who do not like, too much sweet, and this is just perfect for you. Yum. Part I'll use for my FANCHOCO, I'll just add my milk chocolate powder to my butter, and yes, that is my chocolate ice cream right there, also known as FANCHOCO. This is for you who love chocolate ice cream. Just perfect. I use the normal chocolate powder that we sell. We normally use it for our tea, and you can also use Milo if you have. It's going to be perfect for you. Yes, so you just mix this up, and yeah, it looks so good and it tastes even better. Okay. So yes, right now I have my FANMILK and FANCHOCO ready. The leftover is obviously going to be my FANYOGO, which is my personal favorite. Okay, so with this one you will need your whipping cream. With the yogurt I used about 1/3 of the whole pack, and with my condensed milk I used just a little bit. I use about 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, and I go ahead to whip it until it becomes fluffy. And with this one it will not become too thick like the first one because of the yogurt content that you already put in there. So just so you know. Okay, so I go ahead to also blend my frozen strawberries. I'm using the fruit processor because I want it to be really smooth. If you have the blender, I think it will do a quite perfect job for you as well. Okay, that is all. Just blend it well to achieve the smoothest mixture ever. It will kind of look like a smoothie here. Once you get that beautiful smoothie, I'll just drink it right away. It looks so good. So I just go ahead to blend it up with my whipping cream and the yogurt and condensed milk mixture. Yes, that is all that you need. Blend it well, and if you want it to look more pink, you just add food color, just a tiny drop of it, just a little bit, to achieve it, to make it look more brighter pink. That is all that you will need. The color version is totally optional. I love to see it look quite bright. Okay, so I just go ahead to mix it, blend it well again with my hand mixture, and that is all for my FANYOGO. It is ready to go with the others as well. Oh family, I am just so proud to be able to make this. Anytime that I make this, I feel the best. The kids love this. They absolutely love this, and this is also very great idea for you who is dreaming to have an ice cream business. This is just perfect. It tastes just amazing. Okay family, so right now I'm just going ahead to cover it. It has to be in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, and yes, the rest of it, of course, you can transform it into the famous abele walls. Okay, I love the FANYOGO version. It is the best for me. So I left it in the fridge for overnight, and yes, the next day we had our best treats ever. And mind you, if you leave it overnight, make sure you also allow it to rest before you serve it, just so it doesn't get too frozen. Other than that, it is just perfection. This is Ghana FANYOGO, FANCHOCO, and FANMILK. Nothing can beat this. Okay, look how the kids are in a hurry. They just want this in their mouth. They'll be the happiest. Enjoy it with your normal bread. It is so good. That I want to make myself so proud. I just pair it with waffles, and let me tell you, it is heaven. It is so good and so yummy. Just sprinkle a little bit of this colors on it, and the kids will give you lots of kisses. This is so good, amazing, and I'm so happy to share with you, family. Try and give yourself a treat once in a while. Sit at the balcony, enjoy with the family. This is life. So from my previous video, I had lots of questions concerning either you can make ice cream without milk, without the cornstarch and everything, and I think this is the answer for you, family. Just try this method and you are going to love it. See how beautiful this is looking. The kids are happy. If they're happy, I am the happiest. Okay, so yes, try this for your family and you will forever thank me later. Okay, and do not forget to also follow me on Instagram at LoveIsTouch. Until then, thank you so much, family, for joining me today. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and join the happy family for new amazing video every week. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.